The City Sustainability Index, CSI. How can we understand urban sustainability? What is city sustainability? A sustainable city maximizes social economic satisfaction within the limits of the environment and social economic equity. Sustainability has to be considered in terms of the triple bottom line. Models of CSI. There are 18 megacities whose population is more than 10 million. Models of CSI show the sustainability of these megacities. The models consist of three components, including constraint indicators, population density, and maximization indicators. Population distribution. Urban areas are defined by their population density, which is more than 2,000 people per square kilometer. This describes the spatial pattern of population density. The height of the bars represents population density. You can observe the spatial patterns of the 18 megacities. Constraint indicators. Constraint indicators show whether a city exceeds the limits of its impact on the environment and social economic equity. A red globe shows an unsustainable situation in terms of a constraint indicator. This figure shows the observed change in the global temperature increase with CO2 emissions per year. When assessing the CO2 emissions of Tokyo, we assume every city discharges the same amount as Tokyo does. If the projected line of global average temperature exceeds the global threshold, this city is assessed as a non-sustainable city. This is the case of Jakarta. This is the case of New York. This is the case of Dhaka. You can observe the results of the constraint indicator analysis for the 18 megacities. Maximization indicators. Maximization indicators reflect social economic satisfaction of each city for its residents. The thickness of each layer shows the quality of the social economic aspects in the maximization indicators. A higher pile of the layers indicates better quality of life overall provided by the city. You can compare a specific set of indicators across the megacities. You can also compare individual indicators across the megacities. For example, GDP, suicide rate, and health service. Which city is the most sustainable? Each city performs differently across its constraints as well as maximization indicators. New York has the highest maximization indicators overall, but many of its constraint indicators show unsustainable situations. Jakarta has fewer red constraint indicators showing unsustainability, but its maximization indicators are not so high overall. Dhaka has the highest maximization indicators with fewer red constraint indicators showing unsustainable situations. CSI tells which city provides higher socio-economic satisfaction and which city minimizes their negative impact. These cities may provide possible ways of urban lifestyle that allow for a sustainable future of cities.